Hello everyone. I want to welcome everyone who's going to be watching this video. I am going to give you a quick brief introduction how to make a module on D2L Brightspace. First off, you want to make sure you open up the shell. Then once you're on the home page, you want to click on Content. Then once you're into Content, you're going to go down to the left side where there is more things to choose: overbooks, bookmarks, course schedule. You want to click on Add a new module, which you want to separate these by weeks, but like week 1, week 2, or week 3, by example. So since I already have a week 1 and a week 2, I am going to make a week 3. So you want to type it in, make sure the grammar and spelling is correct. Then next, you want to hit enter. Then hit see other shows module added successfully. After that, you can go in to click on each module to make sure that the module is there. And as here it is. You can add the dates and descriptions, restrictions, and existing activities. And from there, this is pretty much how you create a module. And thank everyone for coming and watching.